Greetings, fellow editors! Watchtower version 1.6 finally introduces a hierarchical structure in the folder manager. The relationship between folders is now visually clear. Moreover, changing the settings of a parent folder automatically updates the settings of its child folders, making it faster to customize or delete your watch folders. Also, when a new subfolder is added to a watch folder, it inherits all the settings from its parent. Besides drag and drop, you can now use the Add Folders button in the folder manager. You can select one or multiple folders at a time. To toggle full tree view in the folder manager, hold down the Option or Alt key and click on a fold arrow. The link bins logic has been improved. You no longer need files in every bin to automatically link existing bins to folders. A single file is enough to relink the whole structure. If watch folders go offline, link the parent folder manually, and the subfolders will relink automatically. Relative paths now switch correctly between macOS and Windows, so it is easier to use the project across different platforms. Windows Junction folders are now also supported by Watchtower. Finally, if you use Jumper, you can enable setting to analyze imported media with Jumper. So everything imported with Watchtower will be analyzed right away. That is all. Thank you.